Welcome to the Ask Patrick series. Today's question is by Shivam Tomar. The question is I understand a passage that I solve, but I end up selecting the wrong option. Now, there could be many reasons for it. The first step is to find a real cause of the problem. One is you might feel that you understand the passage, but actually you have not understood the passage. Look, understanding the passage doesn't mean you understand a topic given to you. Understanding the passage means you have to be emotionally connected to the author of the passage. That means you need to try to think to the author's point of view. Does the person agree with whatever is written or disagree with your comment? How are you placed with regards to author? You need to really understand from the author's point of view and not only the topic which is given to you. So that is what is understanding the passage. To think, are you able to emotionally connect to the author and try to understand what a passage is? That's the first problem that people face. Second, maybe you actually understood the passage, but then maybe while selecting the options, you get tempted with some word, something because of which you mark wrong answers. So go back to those wrong answers that you marked and check out what is the right answer, what is the wrong answer. Why is the right answer right? Why is the answer wrong? What is the thought process to get the answer right? And what was your thought process that ensured that you got your answer wrong? Normally, in such case, the answers are marked wrong because you put your ideas before the author's idea. So you feel you are right, therefore you put your idea, and therefore you end up marking the answer wrong. That's one reason. Second is you look at some words that you find familiar in the passage, and then you end up marking the answer without really understanding what is the option as such. Could be that. So find out the cause. So whenever you get a mistake in the verbal section, and normally say write down the mistake and write down the cause for the mistake. The moment you know the cause, you can start working on it. So do that. Because unless you know the cause, it will be very difficult to work on the cause, work on the solution. So find out the cause. Why are you going wrong? I've given you some hints in terms of where you could be going wrong, and then accordingly take corrective action. Because once you know, you can accordingly work on it. Thank you.